Good morning, students. I welcome you all in grammar lesson Direct and Indirect Speech, Module 1. What are direct and indirect speech? Act of reporting the words of speaker. There are the two ways to express using direct speech, or the second way is using indirect speech. What is direct speech and what is indirect speech? Let's know about that. Direct speech, actual words of the speaker. Actual words are quoted. See the example. She said to me, I am playing. Here, I am playing. These words written in inverted commas are reported speech, direct speech. The actual words of speaker are quoted as it is. The exact words of speaker are enclosed in inverted commas. See the example. John said, what are you doing? Yogesh, John asked, what are you doing? Yogesh said, I am studying. So see here, this is the example of direct speech. I hope you would have understood what is direct speech. Actual words of the speaker. Actual words of the speaker. This is called direct speech. Now let's know what is indirect speech. Indirect speech is reported without using the actual words. Actual words of the speaker are transformed, said or written in a simple language. Why we need it? Avoid confusion while using direct speech while reporting. Now, what are the things which you should know while changing direct into indirect speech? First thing you should know is how to change the tense. How to apply the formulas. You should know about the tense. Then you should know about the first person. You should be able to recognize in a sentence first person, second person and third person. And you should be able to recognize subject and object. First person is a speaker, second person with whom we talk, and third person about whom do we talk. So you should know who is first person in a sentence, second person and third person. Now, let's know rules for change of tenses. Steps to convert a direct speech into indirect speech. 6 steps formula you are to apply. First of all, see the reporting verb. Change of reporting verb. Identify the sentence. Change of reporting verb. Then replace inverted commas with that. Then change of pronouns. Change of tense. Then update time specific periods. This 6-step formula will be applied only then when the reporting verb will be in the past tense. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, then you are to change the tense of the reported speech according to these formulas which I have shown here in this chart. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the reported speech will be changed into according to these formulas. Simple present tense will be changed into simple past. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Present perfect continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. If the reported speech is in the simple past, then the reported speech tense will be changed into past perfect. If the reported speech is in the past continuous tense, then the reported speech will be changed into past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tense will not be changed. If there are will, shall in the reported speech, then they will be changed into would, should. Can, may will be changed into could, might. Kindly note, these formulas you have to apply only then when the reporting verb is said to be in the past tense. Then you are to change the direct speech, the tense of the direct speech according to these formulas in indirect speech. Now, change of pronouns. First person of the reported speech change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person of the reported speech will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Third person will not be changed. Here is a word SUN acronym, so that you can keep the things in your mind. S, subject will be changed according to first person. O, object will be changed according to the second person, and third person will not be changed. So you are to apply these formulas when the verb is in the past tense, and after that you are to change these words of direct speech into indirect speech. Here will be changed into there, tomorrow, the next day, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day. This will be changed into that, now, then. Now look at the example. She said to me, I am playing football with you now. Now apply the formulas which I have told. Identify the sentence. Then change of reporting verb. Here you can see said to is changed into told. She told me that. Remove the inverted commas. She told me that. I, first person, change according to the subject. And what is the subject here? She. She. Am playing. Present continuous tense is there, so it will be changed into past continuous. Was playing football with. Second person change according to the object. With me. Now will be changed into then. I hope you would have understood through this 6-step formula. Apply those rules which I have told just now. Now let's know more about the about it through the examples. Kindly note, said to will be changed into told, said will be changed into said will remain said, say to will be changed into tell, and says to tells. See one more example. She said to me, I am playing football with you now. First of all, you are to identify the reporting verb. Reporting verb will remain same, said. Then remove the inverted commas. Ram said Shyam that he had started a new job. Simple past tense is there. Then simple past tense will be changed into past perfect tense. Started, simple past. It is converted into had plus third form of the verb. Past perfect tense is used here. So first of all, you have to identify, then change of reporting verb, then remove the inverted commas, then change of pronouns, and then do other necessary changes. Now look at the example here. He says to me, I am running. He says to me. Here the reporting verb is in the present tense. And kindly note, if the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or the future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech remain unchanged, as you have seen in the example. So what is narration? This we have discussed in this module 1. Then I told you subject, object, reporting verb, first, second, third person, and tense. These are the essential things which you should know. Only then you would be able to feel convenient while changing direct into indirect speech. Rest of the things we will discuss in module 2. Thank you. Have a nice day.